How to use the cooktop. Lift this up. This is on here purely for when you're driving, so you don't hear rattling with the glass against the metal. This thing just goes, and you can hear it rattling away. Right here, let's turn on the light. You just turn this, it'll turn the gas on, and then press that, and it'll light it. Same with this side, turn it, press the gas, it'll light it. And then that'll be lower, and this will be higher until it shuts it off. Right facing upwards like this, just like an oven, is off. Now if you notice these things aren't turning on, might be because your propane isn't turned on, which I have in the other video how to turn the propane on. It's just outside the driver's door down here, and you go ahead, turn the nozzle. It's like the hose part of it. You just spin it, and you spin it counterclockwise. It'll open up the propane, and it might take a minute when you freshly open up the propane to get to here, but you can turn this and you'll hear it. You'll hear the gas start hissing out if you listen, and you can just keep trying to light it, and eventually it'll go poof, and it'll light up, because it does take sometimes a minute for the propane to get from there up to here. So give it a sec. But yeah, if this isn't working, check your propane. Hope that helps.